got Pete here again, so he's back in action these days. We're heading out, do a bit of a 4B trip, spot we've been to before, and we'll see if we can hit those marks and see if there's any pinkies or anything else out there, eh? What do you reckon, mate?
I reckon I can end a quote thing, you got to risk it and get the biscuit.
He's got the biscuit back.
That's it.
So we'll head to the spot, tie down, go through the track and see what we can get. Right, we're on the road, tie down, heading to the spot. We'll get set up. So a couple little hills to navigate and stuff like that, but it's a pretty straight trip on the way through. A ripping setup. Laughing. Looking very nice out there. If we can hold ground, we are laughing. It's a big ledge out there, so hope to hit either side of it. We might send the old aerial out dropping a mulloway bait for us too. So that'll be interesting, bit of a different use this time. Ready to rock and roll. Not a drama, this is going out beautifully. Cannot complain at all. Very slight breeze. Sending our second bait and then I'll send the mulloway bait. See which one gets hit first. Okay, we're getting close. Normally it does its little dance now. Deliver. There she goes.
Return to...
It's working really well. Yeah, good. Now he's looking absolutely sensational out there. Picturesque. Let's get the other bait out. Yep, there's something there. Let's go, let's get an early one. Let's go! Whoa! Let's go, baby!
Yeah, baby.
Don't come off.
I was more worried about the bottle going over.
No, that looked like it was solid. But yeah, you nearly went over, mate.
I know, well, I just saw the rod towards the ocean.
It's hard to pull up sometimes, isn't it? Oh, look at this, man. And now you're getting bites. You beauty. Oh, yeah.
Oh, you've got some good shapes there.
This is good, dude. He's zinging us. Don't come off. Oh, he's hanging to come off.
He's cranking.
Some good weight there, man. Woo! First drop. Let's go. No, yeah, oh good. I thought he pulled me in then, but he hasn't.
Fighting.
He's fighting hard, mate. Just want to be careful, you know? Yeah, he's trying to reef me. He's trying to reef me, all right. Damn. He's just pulled me under. Get up. All right, I'm gonna try and let the line out. I don't want him to bust off. Let him walk out himself, mate. Yep, get out of there. Yeah, he might be out. It's a big boy, man. So I'll be spewing. Come on, go for a run. Yes. Yes. Are you still on though? Oh, I hope so. Yep. Got him out, Pete. Woo! Oh yeah. He's swimming towards me now. Oh, I hope he hasn't come off. No, he's swimming towards me. This is touch and go. What's going on here? This is touch and go, brother. I think I can see him out there, eh? This might be a shark. It's feeling very strange now. He might have come off. No, he's still there, I think. I don't know now. I did everything right though. Couldn't have done any better than that. I just think he's completely puffed out now if he's still on. Yeah. I think I can see him, eh? It's just where that big wave is now. Right where that big wave is coming, he's right there. Wow, that was quick, man.
Ooh.
This is freaking sensational.
That's all right.
All right, where are we now? I have to go down there. That felt like a head shake. Woo! Woo! And he tried to snag me and everything. Look at that. Just in the corner of his mouth there. Woo! He went like a rocket. He must be a 70. I thought he was bigger than that. A little bit longer.
70.
70 on the dot. I called it 70. Yeah! Mate, and he reefed me and everything.
Yeah, you just got him.
Yeah. You're trying so hard to get off, weren't you? Yeah, I've got to get it right now. Number one. And it's beautiful red colour. There she is. First cast. Sensational. That's well early too.
That's very early, but that's good. That means that's good.
Yeah. So, if you think, I mean, do you think yours has still got bait on?
I don't know.
Or once we get to,
I thought I was stuck in the rocks there.
it's really red compared to what I'm used to.
Yeah.
So he must be right on the reef. Right now, this one we're going to chuck on and see whether there's any mulloway around. Will I put that whole chunk on, or half of it? Another one on the new Ghoster, mate. That reel makes life so much easier. Should be up.
Return to home.
Get back here, puppy. Just under half battery and we've done 3 drops. No, 1, 2, 4 drops. Is he still on? Seriously good bites. Oh, I thought I had something on then. It felt like either a tailor or a small mully, so. Interesting. I'll leave that out for now because I want to get the other one out. That's some serious interest though. Get the car charger out, mate. So we've got the fridge in one, 12 volt, we just got a double adapter, going straight to the air recharger. And we're charging, which just means more drops. Sensational. We might have something on here. Because the rod's so heavy, it's hard to know when it's small. It's not feeling that small now. Might be some reef there. Yeah, there's definitely reef there. Double snags. It's out. It's very snaggy. Might have had something on that whole time. Hope it's a flatty. Can't see anything moving. Could just stay up here for now if there's nothing on. Still no inquiries on. Oh yeah, you're getting tiny little nibs now. Nah, there's nothing on, I don't think. You're not getting any nibs there, eh?
That's it.
Yeah, all right. And we've probably got 2 or 3 more sends in us. I'll send this one and then it's all yours, mate. I'm done. I'll just send the Mulloway one again. And yeah, we'll try and get you one in that spot. All right, so this is my last bait I'll send in this spot, so we'll see. I can reload the Mulloway one while we're waiting though as well, so let's get another one up. Still bloody glorious out here. The wind's certainly picked up a little bit now though. And yeah, I'll have to bring mine in eventually, but that was my last one. I'd rather drop you in that zone next, so let me get this one out and then we'll deliberate over yours, or we just send mine. No, we'll leave yours out unless you get bites, and we'll just send mine, and if it hooks up, you take it. This will be the last drop on this battery, you'd say. What are ya? Could just be Hez's. Something to make it zing, mate. Okay. One of our last baits out. Can we still get another one? Yes, he is! Go, Pete! Oh! Yeah. Oh, we're getting double ups here. He's not on yet, is he? He's not on. Just hold it up a bit more. Yeah, like that. There's still a chance this will hook up now, so we have to hit just that spot. That's where it's all happening. It's not, you're not getting even close to the same activity anywhere else. I'm pleased with how that battery charged then. That was very nice. So, right now to the honey hole spot. It's getting out there beautifully, mate.
The last one.
In comes old Bertha. Rock solid, mate, rock solid. The most rock solid drone I've ever used. There's no doubt about that. Problem free. Accurate drops. What more do you want? Right, you're in the zone now, bud. This is the zone. Another job well done. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We've had a successful morning as it stands. We're still hoping for one big zing on this one, and I reckon we got a high chance. But mate, another one in the books, so see you next time, eh? Good dogs, and we got Pete back. Well, what do you reckon, Pete? That was all right, eh?
What an awesome effort, mate.
Mate, we got one. Would have been nice to get you one as well, but mate, we'll certainly divvy up some fillets, and we know that's a surefire spot, so really cool to get out. We nearly hooked up a couple of other times, but mate, not skunked and nice fish, so wicked, mate, and thanks for coming along.
Mate, at the end of the day, as we say, we go fishing to catch a fish, we caught a fish, we've achieved our goal.
Yeah, that's it. So yeah, another good episode, and we'll see you next time. Good on ya.
Adios.